Odisha Staff Selection Commission has announced recruitment for the position of junior engineer. In this video, we will discuss complete detail about this post. So, Odisha Staff Selection has announced recruitment for combined technical service recruitment examination, that is your CTSRE 2025, in which your Group B and Group C post are there. Okay. Now, first post is your junior engineer civil, which is under engineer in chief water resource department. Qualification is also mentioned over here, that is your diploma in civil engineering. If you have completed diploma in civil engineering, then you are eligible to apply for this vacancy, junior engineer civil, which is in water resource department. Total number of vacancies are 24, in which for women category candidates, total number of posts is just 8. And your junior engineer civil post is a Group B post. Okay. Pay level, pay matrix level is also mentioned over here. That is your pay level 9 is will be there. Okay. Second post is of your junior engineer civil, which is under Panchayati Raj and Drinking Water Department. Total number of vacancies 450. For women candidates, it is 150 post. It is also a Group B level post. Qualification is, if you have completed diploma in civil engineering, then you can apply for this post. Pay level is pay level 9. Third post is of your junior engineer civil, which is under municipal administration H&UD department. Number of vacancies are 132, in which women vacancies are 44. It is also a Group B level post. Qualification is, if you have completed diploma in civil engineering, then you can apply for vacancy. Next is your, now the first post is of your tracer, which is under district office. Qualification is, he or she must possess high school certificate examination, and it is also a Group C level post. Total number of vacancies 63, in which women vacancy is 21. Pay level is mentioned, that is level 5 will be the pay level of your tracer post. Okay. Second post is also of your tracer, but this post is under Rural Works Odisha Bhubaneswar department. Qualification is same. She must possess high school certificate examination, and total number of vacancies are 3. It is a Group C level post. Pay level is mentioned, that is pay level 5. Third post is of your junior draftsman. It is under Rural Work Odisha Bhubaneswar department. Now qualification is HSC with NTC pass in draftsman civil. This is the qualification for junior draftsman position. Total number of vacancies are 7, in which women vacancy is 2. It is a Group C level post. Coming on to the pay level, so pay level is level 8. Fourth vacancy is of your architectural assistant, which is under Chief Architect Odisha Bhubaneswar department. Now total number of vacancies for architectural assistant post is your 23, in which women vacancies are 7. It is a Group B level post. Pay level is mentioned, that is your level 9. Coming on to the qualification, if you have completed diploma in architectural assistantship, then you can apply for architectural assistant post. Okay. Fifth post is of your cameraman, which is under Information and Public Relation Department. Now for qualification, candidate must have passed at least highest secondary, that is 10+2 examination, plus degree or a diploma in cinematography. This is important. If you have completed diploma or a degree in cinematography, then only you can apply for cameraman position. Total number of vacancies are 2, and it is also a Group B level post. Sixth post is of your photographer, which is under Information and Public Relation Department. Now qualification is, if you are 10+2, if you have passed 12th, then you can apply, plus degree or a diploma in photography. Total number of vacancies are just 1, and it is also a Group B level post. Seventh post is of your sound recordist. It is under Information and Public Relation Department. Qualification is mentioned over here. At least higher secondary with a diploma or a degree in sound recording and TV engineering, or if you have completed diploma or a degree in sound recording and design from any institution, then you can apply for this position. Total number of vacancies are 1. It is a group B level post. 8th post is of your mechanic, which is under Information and Public Relation Department. Qualification is mentioned over here. Total number of vacancies just 1, and it is also a group B level post. Okay. Now your 9th vacancy is of your video film editor, which is under Information and Public Relation Department. Post is mentioned over here. Qualification is if you are 10+2 passed plus degree or a diploma in video editing or in film production. If you have completed degree or a diploma, then you can apply for this position. Total number of vacancies 2, in which 1 vacancy is for your women candidates. It is also a group B level post. 10th position is of your assistant operator, which is under Information and Public Relation Department. Qualification is mentioned if you have passed ITI in electrical or in electronics branch, then you can apply for assistant operator position. Total number of vacancies is 34, in which women vacancy is just 11, and it is also a group C level post. Pay level is mentioned, that is pay level is level 4. Age limit is mentioned over here. Minimum age limit is 21 years and your maximum age limit is 42 years. Age relaxation will also be provided. That will be provided to SC, ST and SEBC reserved category candidates. Okay, so this was all about Odisha Staff Selection Commission job. I hope you like this video. Subscribe our channel Ranking PD Education for latest job updates. Thanks for watching.